packing up early. How come you guys don't do it all day long? Why does everybody shut down
Tear
early?
down. Normally today is like, we call it stroller day, where everybody's just kind of like chilling, cruising through, looking at stuff, you know, window shopping. Usually gives us, it's a slower day, gives us time to break down and close down.
What is that? Why not tear down on Monday?
We got to go up to Myrtle next. We head up to Myrtle Beach tomorrow.
Today is Sunday.